Well, I actually know about the truth and the lie, what is the right and the wrong, but I still want to be a bad boy by choice. I love the collection of the weapons, and I have my own gun and the other weapons as well. You can say a knuckle duster, the knives, and the guns, because I love those things to be collected. I feel myself superior to every one of the boys, and I was the ruler at that moment.
Naveed was born in a Christian family. He went to church and even joined the daily family prayer.
I love to hurt those people who used to pinch me. When we were fighting, I hit the one person. I want him in death. But when I was hitting them, I saw his blood. He was filled with the blood, a lot of blood, and I just wanted to puke on him because that blood make me terrified. I was scared at that moment. I don't know what actually happened with me. I feel so scared, even though that thing was normal for me. I feel myself in a total dark place. I was damn scared at that moment. I was feeling that there is some, I guess, some spirits or don't know what the things were there in my room was teasing me that you have done the bad thing. Now there is no point for you to live.
Troubled by his actions, he woke up in the middle of the night. He asked his mother for help.
Because I couldn't tell her the whole story, so I just tell her that part of my story that mom, I used to wake up in the middle of night. What should I do? I'm not sure what is actually going on with me. So she told me to start prayer and the God will help you. And I was like, is that thing is like it's that thing is so simple.
He started praying.
That Jesus, I can't take these things anymore. I want help. How could be I save? How could be I go away from all these bad things? And literally, the Jesus helped me. He told me. I would say he speak to me. He spoke to me. I didn't send you to hit the people. I sent you to save them. And that thing, totally changed my life. After that voice which I heard, I just want to do the apologize. I just want him to forgive me because I need the forgiveness from that person.
By praying, he accepted Jesus Christ as his personal savior, and his life changed.
I'm feeling very satisfied after accepting the Jesus into my life. I feel happy. I feel free after accepting the Jesus in my life because Jesus is the light. I saw the light in my darkness. Now I'm free. Now I'm a happy man, and I'm glad that I accepted Jesus into my life.